So in this Google Docs tutorial, I will be showing you how to align text on a Google Docs. So if I just wanted to type the word align text right here, the simplest way to do it is to press on your text right here, go to this top bar, go to this area right here to where it says align and indent. There's a bunch of different options here. So there's left align, which is defaulted, middle align, there is right align, and there's also justify align. So all of these will work. So if you wanted to align it to the middle, you can do that. You can also just align, text right here, text to whatever, like whatever alignment you want, you can do that. You can also go to the top to where it says format. And there's a bunch of different options right here to where it says align and indent. You can go ahead and do the exact same thing here. So if you want to go ahead and do it from the right, you can go ahead and do what you got to do. But that is how you guys can align text on Google Docs. Hope this video helps.